This is the solution to WEX 052. Okay, so according to the definition, this is equal to what? Let's think about it for a moment. We have to do the fractional part first. So that would mean negative 2, 4, 3 to exponent 1/5, and then raise that to exponent 7. Well, let's think about that for a second. It's got to be something easy. It's not 2, because that number's not even, so maybe it's 3. A quick check on the calculator. 3 to exponent 5 is 243. Great. So then that means that actually when you do negative 243 to exponent 1/5, that'll be negative 3. So that'd be negative 3 to exponent 7. Negative 3 to exponent 7. Well, then cheating a little bit, knowing what the answer should be, negative 3, negative 3 to exponent 7, to exponent 7, 21, negative 2187, terrific, so negative 2187. The way, you can figure that out a little bit quick is you could do it pardon me, you could do it in the following way. You could say, because, well, to kind of make our lives simple, I'll drop the negative for a moment and say 3 to exponent 7 is, well, it's 3 to exponent 5 multiplied by 3 to exponent 2. But we already know that 3 to exponent 5 is 243, so that'd be 243 multiplied by, well, 9. And then I can do that easy enough, right? So 243 here, 9, we're going to multiply them. 9 times 3 is 27, carry the 2, 36, add 2, 18, add the 3, 21, 87. Good. Expand by distribution and collecting like terms. Clearly illustrate a redistribution, commutation, and collection. Okay, great. Well, so I'll distribute the trinomial to the binomial. And obtain the following, that this is equal to 3 times w cubed minus 2 times, oh, I'm going to run out of space. I'm going to do it below. Try again here. So that'd be 3 times w cubed minus 2 times w plus 5, and then that is against 6 times w to 4. And then to that we'll add 3 times w to 3 minus 2 times w plus 5 multiplied by 7. And now we need to distribute in the other direction. So this distribution will go that way, that way, that way, right? You get a 6w to 4, you get a 6w to 4, you get a 6w to 4. you get a 7, you get a 7, you get a 7. You all get 7s. Okay. So that would be 3 times w cubed multiplied by 6 times w to 4 minus 2 times w multiplied by 6 times w to 4 plus 5 times 6 times w to 4 then plus 3 times w to 3 times 7 minus 2 times w times 7. Oops. 7 plus 5 times 7. All right. Now, for each one of these 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 terms, not every one, but most of them, we wanna perform a commutation. So because in each term it's all products, right? Product, and because product is associative, we can drop the parentheses, and because it doesn't say that we need to so clearly illustrate the associative property, I'll do it at the same time as the following. I'll say, well, this 3 and the 6, we want them to be together, so that'd be 3 times 6. And we want the w's to be together, so that'd be w to exponent 3 multiplied by w to exponent 4. The reason why is because we want to perform the simplification of 3 times 6. So minus 2 times 6 times w to 4 plus 5 times 6 times w to 4 plus 3 times 7 times w to 3 minus 2 times 7 times w. You know what? I'm going to write these. I'm going to make all these line up so it's easier to show what I'm doing. So plus 5 times 6 times w to 4 plus 3 times 7 times w to 3 minus 2 times 7 times w, and then, well, we can actually do something here. Okay, so plus 35. Now, in each case, this is what happened. This 6 commuted with the w cubed. So that's a commutation. This 6 commuted with the w. 5, 6. In fact, there's no commutations on that one. This w commutes with the 7. Oh, look at that. Those two red arrows are going to the left, and that one's going to the right. It's going to bother me. That's fine. We'll do all of them like that now. That, and then there you have it. So now we can actually just multiply out things. So this would be 18 times, well, the laws of exponents says that there's 7 w's there, so that'd be w to 7, minus 12 times w to 5, plus 30 times w to 4, plus 21 times w cubed, minus 14w, plus 35. And nothing can be collected. So, concerning this exercise, many of you, so many students, received an I. I before E except after C. So received grade I for not following instructions. That's probably because, you know, the instructions say you've got to show a bunch of work, and no one likes to do that. We're all human beings, right? Well, I couldn't possibly force you to do it, but you'll get a 0 if you don't show your work in the way specified. Clearly illustrate every distribution, commutation, and collection. Good.